How firm a foundation, ye saints of the Lord. The short title is The Firm Foundation. This hymn was written by George Keith and Robert Keith in 1787. The hymn is originated from England. This is one of my favorite hymns. When you listen to this hymn, there are several scriptural references that you can refer to. Look at Joshua chapter 8 verse 1. And the Lord said unto Joshua, Fear not, neither be thou dismayed. Take all the people of war with thee, and arise, go up to Ai. See, I have given unto thy hand the king of Ai, and his people, and his city, and his land. And the Lord said unto Joshua, Fear them not, for I have delivered them into thine hand. There shall not a man of them stand before thee. And Joshua said unto them, Fear not, nor be dismayed. Be strong and of good courage, for thus shall the Lord do to all your enemies against whom you fight. And when you look at the lyrics of this hymn, it emphasizes the need to take courage in difficult situation. When you look at the first verse, it tells us about the foundation that the Lord has established for people who believe in Him. It says, the foundation laid for your faith in God's excellent word. There is nothing else you can say. It say, what more can be said than to you God has said, to you who for refuge to Jesus have fled, those who have sought refuge in the hands of Jesus. In verse 2, it is giving you courage. Fear not, I am with thee. Oh, be not dismayed, for I am thy God, and will still give thee aid. I will strengthen thee, help thee, and cause thee to stand, upheld by my righteous, omnipotent hand. This is encourage the Christians that even when you are passing through difficult situations, the Lord is with you. The Lord will help you out, so you don't have to be discouraged, nor to surrender your faith. You need to stand strong and continue fighting, knowing that this journey of being a Christian is a battle. It's like a battle zone. When you have accepted to be a Christian, to follow the Lord Jesus Christ, it's like you have entered in the battlefront. Chapter 3. When through the deep waters I called thee to go, the rivers of sorrow shall not overflow, for I will be near thee, thy troubles to bless, and sanctify thee, thy deepest distress. See, all those difficult situations is like a blessing to a Christian, because when you have come out of it victoriously, surely you know that there is a blessing waiting for you. When through fiery trials thy pathway shall lie, my grace all sufficient shall be thy supply. So which means when you are entering into troubles, be rest assured that there is a grace, a sufficient grace for you. In that trouble, there is a sufficient grace for you that awaits you, and that grace helps you to overcome. The flame shall not hurt thee. The Lord is assuring you in chapter 4 that flame of difficulty, could it be sorrow? Could it be some fight? Could it be diseases? Could it be what? Could it be you have lost your property, you have lost somebody? That flame will not hurt thee. And the Lord is saying, I wholly design thy dross to consume and thy gold to refine. It's like to consume all your weaknesses and refine you and make you a better person, a better Christian, a blessed one, overcomer, and a victor. And in chapter 5, the soul that on Jesus hath leaned for repose. If you have taken Jesus as your place of refuge, if you are leaning on the Lord Jesus Christ for rest, the Lord is telling you that I will not desert you to its foes. I will not desert you to your foes. The Lord is telling you that He will not desert you to your foes. He will protect you, will not surrender you, because you have now taken upon yourself that Jesus Christ is my refuge and I don't have any safe place. My hope is all in Jesus. So the Lord will not make you ashamed. The Lord will stand for you. The Lord will take care of you. That soul, though all hell should endeavor to shake, remember, this is what the Lord is telling you. Isn't it good for a Christian? He's saying that even if the whole hell is shaking you, the whole hell has engulfed you, has come over you. Chapter 5 is telling you that I will never forsake. That's the Lord speaking, that He will never forsake that soul. Even if the whole hell has taken over, you are like in total hell. That's why some people think of just taking their life when things have become very hard. But this is assuring you that even in that very difficult situation, don't die. The Lord will safeguard you even in that trial. By His grace, He will enable you to come out of that trial, helping you, and at the end of it, when you've overcome by His grace, He will again bless you and crown you, and you will become a victor and very successful and happier and strong again. So the trial is just meant to make you stronger. If it does not kill you, it makes you stronger. What does it kill you makes you stronger.
Open Scroll TV, The Evening Light.